Question 22. Sonia has written letters to 4 of her friends and sealed the letters in envelopes. Now she does not know which envelope contains which letter. If Sonia addresses the envelopes to her 4 friends at random, what is the probability that each envelope contains the correct letter? This situation is a form of selection without replacement probability event, and we can model this with a partial tree diagram. In the first stage, there are 4 envelopes to begin with. Sonia has a 1 in 4 chance of getting the first envelope correct. Assuming the first envelope is correct, there is a 1 in 3 chance of getting the second envelope correct since we've taken 1 envelope out and there are 3 envelopes left. So let's say the second envelope is assumed to be correct. There are 2 envelopes left to choose from, and Sonia has a 1 in 2 chance of getting the third envelope correct. Assuming all 3 envelopes are correct, the 4th envelope, since there's only 1 left, must also be correct. Now the probability that all 4 envelopes are correct is found by multiplying these 4 probabilities together. So 1 over 4 times 1 over 3 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 1 is equal to 1 over 24. Therefore the answer is option B.